In this video, we'll show you how to connect to an existing cluster on MongoDB Atlas using Studio 3T. First, you'll need to get the connection string from MongoDB Atlas. Log into your MongoDB Atlas account. This will take you to your cluster's overview. Choose Connect, then connect your application. Choose your driver and driver version. We use Java and version 3.7 or later in this example, but the latest version of any driver should also generate a compatible connection string. Copy the string. We'll later paste this into Studio 3T. If you have a dynamic IP address, which most of us do, it's worth double-checking you've whitelisted your current address. Click on Network Access under Security on the left-hand sidebar. This will take you to the IP Whitelist tab. Click on Add IP Address in the top right corner. Click on Add Current IP Address to have MongoDB automatically detect your current address, then click Confirm. Now we're ready to connect to Studio 3T. Click on Connect in the top left corner of the toolbar to open up the Connection Manager. Click on New Connection. Name your connection and click on the From URI button. Paste the connection string you copied from MongoDB Atlas. Note that you'll have to manually type in the password for the user where you see Password in angle brackets. You'll also have to do the same where you see DB name in the string, which specifies the database name connections will use by default. When you click OK, Studio 3T will automatically extract the information and pre-populate the fields in the Server, Authentication, SSL, and SSH tunnel tabs, and verify that the information is correct. Click on Test Connection to make sure your connection works. Click Save. Now your connection is saved in Studio 3T, and you can access it from the Quick Start tab or from the Connection Manager at any time. All you need to do is click Connect. If you're getting a connection error, you can watch our video on how to fix MongoDB Atlas IP whitelisting issues, or you can watch one of our other videos to see the different ways you can view the contents of your MongoDB Atlas cluster. Thanks for watching and happy querying.